you own a 2012 Toyota RAV4 like this one, and you ran an OBD scanner on it to do a diagnostic test, and you threw code P0118, this typically means, actually it always means, that you have a high voltage problem to your engine coolant temperature sensor. Now, what's not always the case is why you're having a problem with your engine coolant temperature sensor. So most modern cars have this part, and the typical reasons why it's not working is that somewhere along the line it's not getting voltage to it, or that the sensor itself is broken, or sometimes, and you can see Google's telling you the same thing, sometimes it's the thermostat. So you can use a multimeter, or if you don't know how to use one, you can have a mechanic do it to test to see if the sensor itself is broken. Some people like to just blindly go and buy a brand new sensor. It's only maybe $20. You don't want to just start throwing money at stuff, but if you don't mind, if you think that it's just the sensor itself because you looked at it and it's very corroded, this is what it actually looks like right here. In fact, I will put an affiliate link in the description to buy this exact part. This is the 2012 Toyota 4Runner engine coolant sensor. If you think that yours looks so corroded, you can probably just purchase this and replace it, and then go ahead and you'll be able to clear that code P0118. If you have any questions, put them in the comments.